Edinburgh does not wake with a shout,
but with a whispered breath of ancient morning mist.
it is a city
Built of stone and shadow, resting between the cold sea and the sleeping hills.
here.
Time is not measured in minutes, but in the slow weathering of the volcanic rock.
The earth itself
Seems to rise up to meet the sky in these jagged, ancient ridges. The castle stands as a silent sentinel, a fortress carved from the very bones of the world. Every stone has a memory, every gate, 1,000 stories of kings and commoners alike. From these heights, the reach of the city feels endless, a tapestry of history and stone. There is a texture to this place, a grit and a grace that can only be found in the old ways.
in the closes and the wines.
The echoes of the past are never truly silent.
The Royal Mile
Is a spine of history, where every step carries the weight of a kingdom's soul.
behind every door.
A quiet reverence for the craft and the character of the Scottish spirit. We are but fleeting shadows in a city that has seen the rise and fall of empires. But even in the heart of the stone, the wild earth breaks through, green and unyielding. The hills hold the scent of gorse and the memory of fire, a reminder of the world's first days. From the peak, one sees the order of man and the beautiful chaos of the land below. These crags have watched over the city for eons, unmoved by the passing of generations.
As the day fades,
The city transforms, bathed in a light that feels like a benediction. One by one, the lights flicker to life, like stars descending to the cobbled streets. The night brings a different kind of magic, a stillness that settles over the heart of the city. In the glow of a window, we see the continuity of life in a place that has seen it all. Every corner reveals a new perspective, a different way to see the beauty of the old world. Edinburgh is not just a place on a map, it is a feeling, a memory, a stone heart that beats forever.